Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and creating access tokens. First, make sure your Wazuh manager is reachable and you have an API user with read/write scope. This lets you push and pull alerts. Next, register or retrieve your VirusTotal API key and understand its query limits so you pace enrichment queries. Once done, prepare the host that will run enrichment. Install Python and pip, then install requests and any Wazuh SDK. This enables scripted lookups and integrations. Now you build the middle layer that ties alerts to enrichment. You will write a parser that extracts indicators, hashes, URLs, and IPs from Wazuh alerts, and then call the appropriate VirusTotal endpoints for each type of indicator. This provides reputation and behavioral context. Make sure your code implements exponential backoff and local caching so you do not exceed API quotas, and add structured JSON output that the Wazuh API or security onion collector. Finish by deploying and automating the integration. Install the script as an active response or scheduled external correlator that queries VirusTotal when alerts match IOC patterns, and push enrichment back into Wazuh alert JSON so dashboards and rules can use them. Once deployed, validate end-to-end by triggering a test alert and confirming enriched data in Kibana or Elastic. If something goes wrong, first confirm the API key and network access. Then watch for HTTP 429 rate limit responses and review your logs for JSON parsing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.